gorgeous day to explore British Columbia. Mountain Air Adventures, let's go! Horseshoe Lake. They're keeping the ice off the lake, keeping it open so the fish don't suffocate. Roche Lake. Bog Lake. We got some ice fishers. Let's go explore up there. And this here is Bog Lake. Let's go. I love my ATV. And this is Ernest Lake. Literally only went 13 kilometers and we've seen 5 lakes. We're gonna head back down, explore another fork off the Forestry Service Road of Roche Lake. That was a fun sprint across Bog Lake, heading back to Roche Lake Road. So hey, I've taken you to Horseshoe Lake, Roche Lake, Bog Lake, Bog Lake, and Ernest Lake, all within an hour. Yay, Mountain Air Adventures. Come explore British Columbia. What are you waiting for? Fish alive. And that was Roche Lake. Let's get this fire started. There we go. Time for a hot dog roast. Bon appetit. And now a little bit of alioli. Well, that was fun. So hey, I took you to Horseshoe Lake, Roche Lake, Bog Lake, Bog Lake, Ernest Lake, and now Bleeker Lake. So give this video a thumbs up and a lake. I know. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and a lake. Let's head back home. got a lot of good stuff on my YouTube channel, Mountaineer Adventures. Check it out.